What is up, tech enthusiasts, hardcore gamers, and welcome back to the channel. If you have been waiting patiently for the absolute perfect moment to upgrade your ultimate gaming setup, I am here to tell you that your wait is officially over. Today, we are looking at an absolute titan in the world of computing hardware. I want you to completely forget everything you thought you knew about traditional, compromised gaming laptops, because Dell has just completely blurred the line between a portable notebook and a massive, full-blown desktop powerhouse. We are talking about the brand new, highly anticipated Alienware 16X Aurora 16 gaming laptop. Powered by the groundbreaking Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor and armed with the industry-shaking NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, this clamshell beast is engineered for one thing and one thing only: absolute, uncompromised domination in every single task you throw at it. Before we dive into the deep end of these incredible specifications, I want to quickly remind you that if you want to check the current pricing and availability on this exact model, I've left a direct link down in the video description below. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures that you are getting the best available deal on the market right now. Let's start by talking about the physical presence and the design architecture of this laptop, because Alienware has always been the undisputed king of striking, futuristic aesthetics. This specific model comes in a breathtaking premium colorway that Dell is calling Interstellar Indigo. It is a deep, luxurious hue that looks incredibly professional and stealthy during the day, but it absolutely comes alive with a stunning sci-fi energy when the customizable RGB lighting from the backlit keyboard hits it in a dark gaming room. Now, I have to be completely transparent with you guys right out of the gate. This is not some ultra-thin, lightweight commuter laptop that you were going to casually toss into a tiny messenger bag. This is a true, uncompromising desktop replacement system. It weighs in at a very hefty 9.9 pounds and measures a substantial 3 inches thick with a massive overall footprint of 22 inches in length by 13.5 inches in width. But I want to be clear, that massive size is actually its biggest strategic advantage. When you pack this much desktop-grade, high-wattage silicon into a laptop chassis, you desperately need serious, heavy-duty thermal management. That robust thickness allows for a state-of-the-art, advanced cooling solution inside the machine. This means your high-end components can draw maximum power and reach their absolute highest clock speeds without any thermal throttling, preventing the system from overheating and turning into a stuttering mess during intense gaming sessions. Opening that heavy premium lid reveals what might be my favorite part of this entire build: a gorgeous 16-inch WQXGA LCD panel. We're looking at a native resolution of 2560 by 1600. This 16:10 aspect ratio has rapidly become the absolute gold standard across the laptop industry, giving you extra vertical screen real estate that is incredibly useful whether you're reading streaming chat, editing a video timeline, or just trying to see more of the environment in your favorite open-world role-playing game. But the true, undeniable magic of this LED backlit display is its speed. It features a blistering 240 Hz maximum refresh rate. If you play highly competitive, fast-paced esports titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike, Apex Legends, or Call of Duty, this ultra-fast display is going to give you a massive, tangible competitive advantage. Every single frame is delivered with buttery smooth precision, completely eliminating screen tearing and virtually erasing input lag. Even when you're playing slower, cinematic, story-driven games, the combination of that crisp 1440p class resolution and the high refresh rate creates an incredibly immersive, lifelike visual experience that pulls you right into the action. Under the hood is where the Alienware 16X truly earns its legendary Aurora namesake. The raw processing power is handled by the newly released Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX. This central processing unit is a sheer marvel of modern computing engineering. We are talking about a staggering 24-core processor packed inside a portable chassis, with a base clock speed of 2.7 GHz and the incredible ability to dynamically boost all the way up to mind-bending 5.4 GHz. This CPU effortlessly chews through absolutely anything and everything. Whether you're running highly complex physics simulations in the latest strategy games, live streaming to YouTube and Twitch simultaneously at the highest possible bit rates, rendering 4K video for your own channel, or multitasking with heavily demanding professional applications, the Ultra 9 simply does not break a sweat. Partnered perfectly with that processor is the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, featuring 8 GB of the newly developed cutting-edge GDDR5 video RAM. The generational leap from older memory types to GDDR5 means significantly faster memory bandwidth. This crucial upgrade allows the graphics processing unit to load massive, uncompressed textures instantly and handle highly complex ray tracing calculations flawlessly. You can load up the most visually punishing, demanding games of the year, crank all the visual settings to Ultra at that native 2560 by 1600 resolution, and turn on maximum ray tracing without a second thought. Coupled with NVIDIA's incredible AI-driven deep learning supersampling and frame generation technologies, the RTX 5070 ensures that your frame rates stay incredibly high, fully saturating that beautiful 240 Hz display and keeping your gameplay incredibly smooth. To ensure there are absolutely zero bottlenecks holding back that beastly processor and graphics card combination, Dell made sure to not skimp on the system memory or the storage solutions. Right out of the box, you're getting an incredibly generous 32 GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM running at a blazing 5600 MHz. Having 32 gigs is exactly what you want to see in a premium high-end system today, as it completely future-proofs your setup for the next generation of memory-hungry games and massive creative software suites. For your storage needs, you're armed with a massive 2 TB solid-state drive. Game installation sizes are getting completely out of hand these days, with major titles easily pushing past 150 GB, so having a 2 TB SSD is a massive relief. It gives you plenty of room for your massive Steam library and all your software, while guaranteeing near-instant boot times into the pre-installed Windows 11 Pro operating system. Living with this machine day-to-day is an absolute pleasure thanks to its highly versatile connectivity and premium input devices. It features highly stable 802.11ax wireless technology, also known as Wi-Fi 6, which ensures incredibly fast, low-latency wireless connections that genuinely rival a traditional wired Ethernet cable. You also get a very generous selection of 6 total ports, including 4 high-speed USB ports and a dedicated HDMI video output. This makes the laptop fully compatible with all your external displays, specialized gaming mice, mechanical keyboards, external storage drives, and printers without needing to buy extra dongles. The human interface is just as premium, featuring a highly accurate touchpad and a beautifully tactile backlit keyboard that feels incredible for long typing sessions and intense gaming. Finally, the laptop is powered by a lithium-ion battery rated for about 5 hours of light use. However, because this houses literal desktop-tier components, you'll want to use the included AC adapter to truly unleash its maximum potential. Think of it as a portable battle station. You set it up, plug it into the wall, and dominate. In conclusion, with thousands of positive reviews across the board, a perfect 5 out of 5 stars from early buyers, and a top-tier ranking on Amazon, it's clear Dell has created a true masterpiece. If you are a hardcore gamer or a professional creator who absolutely refuses to compromise on performance, the Alienware 16X Aurora 16 is exactly what you need. Click the link in the description below to grab yours today, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.